If you are looking for a budget-friendly and comfortable stay near the airport, this video is for you. From check-in experience to room tour and food review, I'll show you everything about my stay at Click Hotel. The moment we entered that lavish reception and warm lights, it felt luxurious and comforting. This is the reception area, which also has a cafeteria, and the ambience here was outstanding. This is a separate cozy on-site cafe in the lobby area for snacks and coffee. Hospitality here deserves appreciation, and the staff was very cautious. We checked in and ran straight into a room, and the room was so cozy. And the room space is decent for both solo travelers and families. And the interiors are simple but elegant. This is a perfect option for transit travelers and short business stays. And you have a separate table and charging point for laptop, and the Wi-Fi speed is also good. And coming to the washroom, it was compact but well maintained. And all the basic amenities were provided. I felt like stay at Click Hotels was comfortable near the airport. The experience was smooth and hassle-free overall. And coming to the food section, this is their restaurant space, which is spacious and classy. They also privately run restaurant named Cinnamon. We enjoyed the most exquisite food during the stay. Butter naan and tandoori roti with Andhra special masala chicken curry was next level. They also have this mini kind of workout area in their space. And my overall stay here at Click Hotel is comfortable and peaceful. If you found this video useful, do like, share and subscribe. And help me out in checking my previous videos. Thank you and have a good day.